Tanu Meena. Today I read The Pact with Sun, chapter number 4, The Old Clock Shop. Christmas Eve had arrived as last minute shoppers were going home. A thick white sheet of snow lay over Salt Lake City, USA, yet the lights were still burning in the old clock shop as its old dive owner worked on a clock he had sold that day. Having finished his work, Ray stood up and was on his ways to the back room when a cold rush of air from the front door hit the back of his neck. He turned to meet a last-minute shopper, but his old wish eyes told him that this was not a shopper. He saw two men, one in his tunic, the other closer to 50. The younger man remained at the door. The older man approached the counter with on no sign of friendliness in his eyes. Ray was able to hide his growing fear as he slowly pushed the notepad and a pencil across the counter. He smiled at the unfriendly face, then pointed to his eraser and shook his head from side to side. A quick look of surprise changed the man's face as he studied the notepad, then turned and said something to his friend. Ray used the change to look closely at the man, paying attention to the space of a gun and a restless hand in the man's right coat pocket. Angry boiled within him, but it was kept down by a inner voice that said, "Be still." He wrote on the notepad, "May I help you?" For the first time, the older man looked directly at Ray's and smiled a cruel, mocking smile. They both understood why he was there, why his friend remained at the door. They looked like men who were down on their luck and were now ready to try something they would later be sorry about. The clocks ticked on. Ray's climb. What another message? Have you come to pick up a clock, or watch. Then he pointed the lawn board filled with hanging clocks and